Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the prescription and assembling supplies: padding, casting tape, bucket of lukewarm water, scissors, and gloves. Once ready, cut 4 to 6 starter strips so you don't fumble mid-wrap. You position the limb in proper alignment and keep tension on soft tissues. Begin by applying padding smoothly with slight overlap to protect bony prominences. Then activate the first strip in water for the recommended seconds, squeeze out excess, and lay it down firmly. This ensures a stable foundation for the cast. Once the base is set, continue wrapping systematically from distal to proximal, overlapping each strip about 50% so the cast gains uniform strength. As you apply, use your palms to smooth and contour the material to anatomical curves, eliminating air pockets. This improves fit and load distribution. Add extra layers, 3 to 5 over joints or high-stress zones, but keep fewer layers where bulk isn't needed. Make clean, rounded edges and avoid creating sharp seams. This staged layering both secures immobility. To finish, trim excess material and smooth edges for patient comfort. Then let the cast cure fully, typically 10 to 15 minutes, while maintaining the limb's position. Once cured, verify distal circulation, sensation, and range of motion per protocol. Educate the patient on elevation, ice for the first 48 hours, and warning signs. If the patient reports increasing pain, numbness, or severe swelling, act immediately. Create a longitudinal split or remove the cast to relieve pressure and reassess. Prompt troubleshooting prevents complications and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.